In the vast domain of health and wellness, a virtuous champion emerges, wrapped in an invigorating shade of green. This is none other than green tea, a beverage with a rich historical background and overflowing with an array of benefits. Sourced from the ancient tea gardens of China and poured into your favorite mug, every sip delivers a potent blend of antioxidants known as catechins. These microscopic warriors are thought to battle cellular damage, potentially fending off a myriad of diseases. But the magic of green tea doesn't end there. Besides being a faithful ally to your heart by aiding in lowering harmful cholesterol and elevating healthy ones, it also fosters brain function. Studies suggest that it improves cognitive functions, particularly the working memory, making your brain sharper. That's not it. It even aids in fat loss by boosting the metabolic rate, thus assisting in weight management. Further, it has been linked with a lower risk of cancer, offering yet another impressive benefit. So, care for a cuppa, delight in the tranquility, relish the taste, and let the multifaceted benefits of green tea cast their spell on you. The journey to a healthy lifestyle is just a brew away. Our next rejuvenating sip, here's toasting to your health and well-being. As the soothing warmth of your green teacup embraces your hands, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've embarked on together in this video. We've traversed the verdant tea gardens of China, delved into the heart of the tea leaves, and unlocked the secrets of this magical brew. Green tea, a cup of health benefits, is more than just a title. It's an invitation to a healthier, more mindful lifestyle, all encapsulated in a comforting cup of tea. Now, as we reach the end of our journey, we invite you to join us on many more. By subscribing to our channel, you open the door to a world of wellness and knowledge. Each video is a step towards a healthier, happier you. So why wait? Click on the subscribe button now, hit the bell icon for timely updates, and immerse yourself in a sea of well-being. And remember, your journey to a healthier lifestyle is just a brew away. So here's to many more cups of green tea and a toast to your health and well-being.